Northern Ireland is a place of ambition and innovation, and InvestNI aims to channel these strengths by unlocking the potential in businesses all across the region and helping build a more prosperous Northern Ireland. We support businesses at every stage, from local entrepreneurs and small startups to large companies and international investors. And the return on that support is real. Every £1 of assistance we provide results in £7 of investment in the economy. That's because we give businesses access to expert advice and funding support, help to upskill and spark innovation, and the tools and guidance they need to grow and thrive. There's help available across a wide range of sectors, from advanced manufacturing to agri-food, digital technology to life sciences, and from financial services to green energy. Our support helps drive sustainable growth and creates quality jobs and economic activity in every corner of our economy. Businesses right across Northern Ireland get easy access to expert, on-the-ground support thanks to our strong regional presence. In fact, 93% of our investments come from locally owned businesses, proof that our impact is local, targeted and inclusive. And with over 20 international offices, those businesses can also reach markets worldwide and compete on a global scale. In Northern Ireland's economic ecosystem, collaboration is key. That's why we work closely with councils, academia and business bodies. By working in partnership and aligning strategies, we can help drive inclusive, joined-up economic growth. We also help deliver transformational projects, such as the City and Growth Fields, which represent £700 million in investment. All of InvestNI's work follows the Our Future in Focus strategy, which is our roadmap towards higher productivity, quality jobs and balanced regional growth. Together, we're working towards a stronger, more resilient and more prosperous Northern Ireland for everyone. And we're proud to be part of this journey.